Hello everybody, this is chapter 4, working with lists. Again, we were tasked to do the try it yourself, so I'll be explaining that in this video. So here we have a favorite pizzas list. So you insert your pizzas, can be any one. And now you want to print the names of all your pizzas. So for pizza in favorite pizzas, this is basically like, the way I would relate it is a code word. So it gives it a so favorite pizzas would be your list is your values. So that is obviously the variable name, and then the pizza gives it a new name, but it still links to your favorite pizzas and then the value list. So you print them out. Let me click the terminal again. It takes a while, so let's just give it some time. And then we'll print, and print \n will print everything on a new line. Okay, just a moment. Everything else is also printing along with this. Okay, so so this will basically just put so it will be pepperoni, then Hawaiian, then veggie. So it will print each on a new line, print a sentence about each pizza. So the sentence is, I really love pizza, code word, pizza. So I really love pepperoni pizza, Hawaiian pizza, veggie pizza, barbecue chicken pizza, whatever. And then this one, range will print numbers from 1 to 21. So if you go 1 to 20, it will only print 1 to 19. When you select 1 to 21, it will print numbers 1 to 20. So this prints out the number, all the numbers from 1 to 21, which will be 1 to 20. Okay, I really want to show you. Oh my gosh, okay, this was the other thing. Okay, here's the... I don't think this printed correctly. Okay, here we go. So this is what I was talking about with \n. This isn't the correct stuff. I don't know what it did. But okay. I can explain the rest. That should be fine. Okay, it's not printing. Okay, it's alright. And then create a list of numbers from 1 to 1,000,000. That is what we saw in the terminal. How do I... Oops, okay. It's alright. We'll work with this. So here you can see it is printing from numbers 1 to, that. Why did I click that again? I'm sorry. Okay, we'll just wait for this to finish. Shouldn't take long. But this will just print your numbers, your range from 1 to 1,000,000. So it's 1,000,001, so it actually prints all the numbers. Hence this at the bottom here. So that will print it. Using a for loop to print each number, I probably should have commented that out, but it's okay. I put that note there for a reason, didn't follow it. So it will print the numbers, which would be that, and we can list the numbers as seen there, which is going on here, but I didn't comment that out. So this is printing numbers 1 to 1,000,001, which would just be 1 to 1,000,000. Why? Okay, that stops. I think the terminal runs on space, so there wasn't enough space to print it all, but that's okay. I'm sure you get the point. Okay. Thank you. Right, so the other one was, okay, the print min, max, and sum. that is this. So the minimum is 1, the max is 1,000,000, and then that is the sum. That prints all the numbers from 1 to 1,000,000. So here we're using range to get odd numbers from 1 to 20. So basically what this doing is it's incrementing. So this adds on to the numbers. So from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so on and so forth. That just repeats and goes up. And that ends at 21. No, 30, sorry. Okay, and then we can use range to get multiples of 3 from 3 to 30. Sorry, that is this. It does end at 21, I think. Yeah, there we go. Ends at 21, which would be the 19. So multiples of 3 is this list here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So we can also list of the first 10 cubes. So this is timesing. I think this is like the cube. In math, it's like the square roots and stuff. So this is what this is doing. It's just timesing until it gets to the end of the range. Prints a cube. List of numbers and pizzas. So here's the list of numbers. Print the first 3 items in the list are 1, 2, 3. Then there's 3 items from the middle of the list. So it would be 5, 6, and 7. So the list is that one. This is where we're getting all the numbers from. And then the last 3 items in the list are the 3, 8, 9, and 10. So here we've got more of the pizzas. We make the list. Your friend's pizzas, this basically becomes the same as yours. So we append barbecue chicken, so we add that to the end of the list. You'll see it shows up here. It would first be this, and then we append it by adding that one. And then we append seafood by adding this to our friends list. This goes to our original list. Now we print both lists. My friend's favorite pizzas are what we see here, and then seafood. So they have seafood and we have barbecue chicken. So that prints your friend's favorite pizzas, which is that there. So first we have to print a list of foods. So it's pizza, burger, pasta, sushi, and tacos. So it's printing like this because of backdash n. Backdash or forward dash n. Yeah, so this is basically just repeating it and so on. Some of the numbers, make a copy of the list pieces. So when we append it, we're adding it. I don't think I need to go over all of this purely because everything's literally the same. So yeah, so we're using .append to add new pizzas to each list, and then print each list of pizzas. That prints out the pizzas, the friend's favorite pizzas, list of food items here. That prints those out. First loop. Yeah, so yeah, that is everything. So there's a lot of new stuff that we learned in chapter 4. Yeah.